Hello everybody, welcome to Voice Juniors.
Today we are going to do an exciting experiment. We are going to explore the magic of nappies and discover how they can absorb so much liquid from babies. Have you ever wondered how a nappy can hold so much water? Stay tuned to find out, and please subscribe to our channel. You will need nappies, a pair of scissors, cups or a bowl, water, food coloring optional for visibility, and a spoon for stirring. Yes, we have everything. Now let's start the experiment!
Yeah!
Step 1. You cut open the nappy carefully along the edges to avoid a big mess. And then inside of it, you will see some kind of a cotton fluff. And extract that cotton fluff, place it on the sheet. Let's do it. Pick the fluff out. You pull the fluff out. That's a lot.
Yeah, look at those.
These feel like sugar.
But don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Do not eat.
I know.
Oh my god. That's a lot. Now we are using a sieve to separate any cotton lumps from the magic powder. This is the magic substance we extracted from the nappies. Now we are going to take a scoop of this magic powder and put it in our cups. Amen first. My turn. One scoop. Magic potion. There you go.
And I take all of the rest.
Yeah. For the visibility, we are going to add a little bit of food coloring. Now our colorful water is ready. We are going to pour it into our cups of magical powder. Let's do it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh no! Watch closely as the water interacts with the material from the nappy. You just put the water and it gets bigger? That is so cool.
Look at that.
It just grew by itself.
Yeah.
Did you see what happened to the water? No, please don't. It's gonna empty.
There's no water in there.
Yeah, there's the water.
Where's water gone? I think we can add more water. What
Yes,
do you think?
let's add more
let's
water.
add a bit
It'll just
more.
make more.
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. How quickly.
Can I put a little bit more?
Yep. How quickly it's absorbing those water.
Oh, there you go.
It can hold more water. Did you see that?
Wow.
It's just building itself.
Ooh.
Isn't this amazing? But what's really happening here? Let's dive into the science behind this amazing phenomenon. The secret lies in a substance called superabsorbent polymer, SAP. These polymers are long chains of molecules that can absorb and retain extremely large amounts of liquid relative to their own mass. When water comes into contact with the polymer, it gets trapped within the molecular structure of the SAP. This happens through a process called osmosis, where water molecules move into the polymer network, causing it to swell. Each polymer chain can hold a lot of water because it creates a gel-like substance, which prevents the water from leaking out. This is why nappies can keep babies dry for a long time. So the next time you see a nappy, you will know the incredible science behind its superabsorbency. Pretty cool, right?
Pretty cool, right?
Thanks for joining us on this super science adventure on how nappies work. Stay tuned and stay curious. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Polymers!
Polymers.
Polymers. Superabsorbent polymer!